All right, here's a quick winter pro tip that'll save you from a cracked pump and a bad day. We did blow out the lines with air, that's great. But in this rig, the wet bay holds the water pump, the low point drains, the water filter, all the vulnerable stuff. If this area freezes, you're done. So I throw in this little 220-watt portable electric heater. Nothing crazy, just enough to keep the chill off. It runs on simple 110 volts and kind of like having 200-watt light bulbs on. But the real hero is this Addostat from Smart Tech Products. This thing automatically kicks the heater on at 35 degrees and shuts it off at 48. So it's not running nonstop, it's not wasting power, and it's not cooking the wet bay. It's cheap insurance. A cracked filter housing will ruin your whole week. This setup just works. All right, that's it. Another day, another reason to question why we own RVs and still somehow love them. If today's tip saved you even 5 minutes of frustration, tap that like button. If it saved you from talking to your RV tech for the 19th time this month, maybe even subscribe. We're basically your free therapy at this point. Stay warm out there, and remember, RV stands for repair vehicle. I don't make the rules. See you in the next one.